Welcome back to the Popcorn Genius. It's football season, so we're making up all flavors of popcorn for your favorite teams, and today we're doing Seattle Seahawks. Today we're going to be popping up some popcorn based on Seattle Seahawks. Now, the Seattle Seahawks, when I think of Seattle, I always think of coffee. I think Starbucks was started there in Seattle. They have a bunch of coffee shops. They're supposed to have this great coffee there. And so we're going to try to make a flavor based on that. We've never done a coffee flavored popcorn before, so we're going to give this a shot. One of the things we decided to do is we're going to make it more like a caramel coffee flavor. And to get the caramel, we're going to be using Glaze Pop. And this is Gold Medal's Glaze Pop product. This is basically a product that you can add directly into your kettle when you're popping popcorn, and it'll coat it basically like kettle corn, but with caramel. We're going to be using this. And we're also going to be using this espresso coffee that we picked up at the store. Now, it says a decaffeinated instant and ground coffee. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, love coffee. I love coffee flavor, but I don't consume caffeine in any way. So I did buy the decaf. There's probably going to be a little bit of caffeine in here, I'm imagining. But we're going to give this a shot, and we're going to do it with caramel. So we have our ingredients, so let's get popping. First thing we're going to do is turn on our kettle. We're going to check the temperature of this and see. We're at 227 degrees, so we have a little bit of time for that to get up to temperature. We're going to get out our oil first. Now, this is an 8-ounce popcorn popper, so that means we're going to be using 3 ounces of oil. And today we're going to be using Buttery Goodness popping oil. Now, this is going to give it a nice little butter flavor. But with caramel, that's going to be great. Nice caramel, underlying hints of butteriness. Love that. So now we're going to give ourselves 3 big squirts, and we have 3 ounces of oil. Each pump is 1 ounce, so that makes it nice and easy. And we have our kernels. This is 8 ounces of mushroom kernels. There we go. Check that out. Nice mushroom kernels. They're going to pop up nice and big. And we want a nice hearty popcorn when we're making coatings on them like caramel. So we want something that can really hold up to that. We're going to measure out our caramel glaze pop. We're going to use, well, because we have 8 ounces of kernels, we're going to use 4 ounces of glaze pop. And that means that's a half a cup. So we have a half a cup of glaze pop in here. The caramel smells incredible. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that, and then we're going to add in our coffee here. And I think what we'll do, we're going to put in a big heaping tablespoon and see how that goes. We're going to add it right to our glaze pop. This smells so good. This coffee smells amazing. So does the caramel. Let's check the temperature. Oh yeah, we're at temperature already. So now we're going to add in our oil, and we're going to add in our kernels. I didn't show you because it was up to temperature so much, but this thing's up to 450 degrees already. So we wanted to get our ingredients in there quickly so it didn't overheat. So we had that stuff in there. And now we're going to add in our caramel and our coffee all together. We're going to hope that this doesn't burn. The glaze pop won't burn it off. I'm hoping that the coffee's not going to burn in that. We're going to give it a try and see what happens. We're going to close this up, and we're going to see what happens with this popcorn. I'm excited about this. I'm hoping it's going to give a nice caramel coffee flavor, so we'll see what happens. While that's heating up, I just want to mention this video is sponsored by kettlecornmachine.com. They make the most amazing popcorn poppers, big giant kettles. They make different sizes. We actually have an 80-quart size, which is a nice big kettle. You can pop up so much popcorn in that. You can use it at fairs. You can use it at farmers markets. You can just pop popcorn and bag it up and sell it. Whatever you want to do, you can do it with this machine because they are fantastic. Great quality, commercial grade. They pop up popcorn so quickly. It's amazing. And they also have other products too. So check out their website. They also do lemon shake-ups. They sell all the equipment if you wanted to make lemonades for folks. Everything like that. They're really great. Very nice people. And actually, if you check out this link up here, take a look at Greg's suite. Greg unfortunately passed away. He was from kettlecornmachine.com, and he made this cool Seattle Seahawks popcorn. He did like their colors, green and blue. And so check out that video. It's really cool. He does a really nice job. So that's another way you could make a Seattle Seahawks popcorn by using the colors. So check them out and check out that video. Just wanted to tell you, if you're interested in getting a kettle corn machine, this is the place to get it. There's a link down in the description, or you go to www.kettlecornmachine.com and tell them that Popcorn Genius sent you, and I'm sure Destiny will definitely take care of you. I think I heard a pop. I definitely heard pop. Oh, I gave it a little smell. I smell the coffee in there. It smells really good. I'm getting really excited about this. I think it's going to be delicious. Oh, it smells so good. Now, what we're going to do, in anticipation of this coming out, I'm getting really excited about it. The caramel and the coffee flavor smells amazing. Here we go. We're starting to pop up. Oh, yeah, you got all that caramel-coated popcorn. We're going to listen for this. When it starts to slow down, that's when we're going to dunk. All right, anchor slow out. Let's give it a dump. Let's give it a stir here. The coffee smells incredible. The coffee smells so good. Let's get a couple pieces here and take a look at it. All right, look at that. Coated in caramel. Smells really good. Let's give it a taste. That tastes really good. The caramel is super good. But you can also taste the coffee with that. That is a really good flavor. If you've never made coffee flavored popcorn before, this one is really, really good. Probably next time I might add a little bit more glaze pop to it. But overall, beautiful. Like, it's like a caramel latte, I guess is the best way I can explain it. It just has these two flavors that just meld together so perfectly. So there you have it. We made a Seattle Seahawks flavored popcorn using coffee and caramel glaze pop. Remember, in life and with popcorn, you just got to get out there and get popping.